Anybody with somebody who snores, it's just the worst thing in the world. And I guess my head is where his is on the other side of the wall, so you just hear that snoring through the walls. You can't do nothing about that. I'm laying there, I just hear him. I'm laying there, I just hear him. I called his room last night. He picked the phone up. I said, "Get off your back," and I hung the phone up on him. He was on his back. Man, that snoring is something, man. Who's retired by applause? Retired? Yeah, that's all right. I want to retire too after the show, but that's quitting. I want the paperwork.